Hi, my name is Julian, and in this video I will show you how to measure the fluoride content with an ion selective electrode. As with any potentiometric measurement, you need the ion selective electrode and a reference electrode. Moreover, you must measure the temperature of the sample solution as it influences the analysis result. The new combined fluoride selective electrode from Metrohm features both a temperature sensor and a reference electrode. This sensor comes in both a digital and an analog version. There are two different ways to measure fluoride, by direct measurement or by standard addition. In a direct measurement, several different calibration standards are measured. Afterwards, the potential of the sample is measured and the concentration is calculated from it. During a standard addition, the potential of the sample is measured first. Afterwards, standard is automatically added until a defined potential difference is reached. This is repeated 2 to 3 times and then the concentration of the sample can be calculated. Direct measurements are fast and suitable for lower fluoride concentrations. When performing direct measurements, a calibration is needed before each measurement series. Moreover, complex sample matrices can interfere with the analysis. In contrast, when performing a standard addition, there is no interference from the sample matrix. Also, no sensor calibration is needed and the sensor is checked with every standard addition. However, be aware that standard addition is not suitable for measuring low fluoride concentrations. Also, a standard addition takes longer compared to a direct measurement. It's important to note, for both measuring modes, you need to add total ionic strength adjustment buffer, TSUB for short. This buffer fixes the pH and the ionic strength. We recommend plastic labware for all measurements, as glassware can falsify the result. No matter if you do a sensor calibration, a sample measurement or a standard addition, you must condition the electrode before each measurement. To do so, place the electrode in a beaker filled with a mixture of 1:1 TSUB and deionized water for 2 minutes. So, let's look at the direct measurement. Before measuring the sample, you need to calibrate the sensor. For this, you need to prepare several standard solutions. An Omnis dosing module can also be used to prepare them from a single calibration standard. This will increase the reliability of your results. Precisely weigh in your sample and add deionized water and TSUB to fix the pH and the ionic strength. Place the sample on the titrator and start the measurement. Within a minute you have your result. Now that we have covered direct measurement, I will demonstrate a standard addition. Again, accurately weigh in your sample and add TSUB and water. The solutions can also be added automatically with an Omnis dosing module. First, the start potential is measured. Afterwards, increments of fluoride standard are added to the sample. We recommend to add at least 4 increments. You can decide to add either constant volume increments or add standard until a predefined potential difference is reached. Once the standard addition is finished, the result is calculated and displayed immediately in the software. Measuring the fluoride concentration with a new combined fluoride selective electrode from Metrohm is fast, simple and reliable. For more information, check out the link in the description and contact your local Metrohm sales rep.